Hi everybody, I'm just outside the new Inpress Medical factory in Littlehampton. Normally when we open a factory like this we would have an opening ceremony to thank everybody involved. Unfortunately we can't do that in the middle of the pandemic, so we thought instead we would record this video to thank everybody. It's a really good news story about the whole community coming together to work to get this factory open in the middle of the pandemic, so please take a look. In March 2020, we committed to open a new medical sharp spin factory in Littlehampton. It's the UK's only production of these essential medical items. We had only 3 months to get the product range into production. We had committed to start supplying on July the 1st. Just a week after we signed the deal, the UK went into national lockdown. We've always believed that we succeed only as part of our community and the sustaining, supportive ecosystem it provides. We opened the new factory on time only as a result of the tremendous support our partners, suppliers and colleagues gave us. We would like to thank our friends at Nolato who sold us the machines, the intellectual property and supported us throughout the transition. Matt and Andrew at HSBC who organised the finance so quickly. Matt and his team at UK Power Networks who worked very long hours to get the power in on time. Nigel and Carl at Arran District Council and their colleagues at Sussex County Council. We actually got the necessary roadworks approved in less than half an hour. Also, Professor Dave Cooper at Chichester University and Esther Dainton at HMP Ford, as well as a myriad of other local suppliers in West Sussex. We also need to thank our existing and 21 new members of staff. They have worked throughout the crisis to keep our factories running 24 hours a day despite the fear in the country. In particular, many colleagues stepped up to replace shielded or sick team members. Today we're supplying these medical products to the UK and 9 other countries. This is part of a strategic plan for medical production in Littlehampton for many years to come, long after the pandemic's forgotten. So for everybody involved, a very big thank you.